pretty cool though. I'm not gonna lie, I really like the way it looks. I'm not sure what he wants out of it. I guess maybe 400, probably, right? New downpipe going on this girl?
Gotta make it fit.
Gotta make it fit. So what happened? Gave Trinell a new ECU and turbo setup and needs a clutch now?
Pretty much. Typical. Make more power and just slip the clutch.
I'd say on average, 1 out of every 3 needs a clutch. A lot of times people are running stock clutch though, so.
This one's not even on stock clutch.
No?
Got a brand new clutch inverter.
What, just can't hold the power?
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
eBay shit.
eBay, yes! She looking pretty fine now, so we gotta upgrade from eBay. I think we're going with what, ACT?
Yeah.
Advanced clutch technology. Phew.
Should hold.
You repping Monsef today? Got that admin going on?
Yeah, I might have to cross that off.
This Laurel is super cool. Can you put the windows down so you can show?
No, the battery's low.
Ah, dang. All right, but there's no pillar here.
The window is that?
Yeah, the other one though. So then it's like all open. Can you put the back one down or no? But anyway, it is probably the coolest feature to me. And then this weird little, I don't know what this is. This reminds me of like a water gauge. Like how much did it rain? What is this? This thing here.
Some sort of marker.
Marker of sorts. It's cool. I know people will probably have a lot of opinions about that. Keep your comments clean.
What, you really expect the internet to be that?
Do I expect the internet to be inappropriate? What do you think?
Yeah.
But anyway, we'll slap a new clutch on this, John. I think it's coming today because it's not here. Right? Okay. And then we'll get it on the dyno. What are you expecting power-wise?
No idea.
Is it ethanol and pump or just pump?
Flex fuel.
Flex fuel, so it is both. Okay, cool. And for anyone who doesn't know, it's running the Link G4x. All the intercooler piping here was done in-house. And the catch can back there. There's our little sleeper tuning. What are you making? Tuck in?
Yep.
I know, I'm being obnoxious.
That's okay.
Yeah, we're excited to see this progress.
All right, so we got Trinell's car on a dyno. So some completely stock RB20 with a bolt-on Garrett bottom mount turbo. I believe it's a GTX 2863R. Custom fab, custom front mount intercooler, custom 3-inch straight pipe exhaust. He's got the Plasma Man top half intake, Link G4x, ID 1050s, flex. It will be flex fuel and power tuned digital dash. We'll see what we can pump out of this thing, making some steam. As you can see, we did a external wastegate modification for better boost control. It's got the NZ wiring trigger kit, R35 coil pack made by Supertech, I believe. Radium fuel rail, 6 AN feed, 6 AN return, all flex fuel compatible with a Haltech fuel pump in the boot. Custom catch cam, 10 AN breather lines, and we did a nice little 3-inch intake into the fender so we get some nice cool air. Help spool that turbo up and make a little extra sauce. So we'll get this thing rolling and see what she pumps out.
Yeah. Oh, this car is coming from where?
Trinell, I believe Long Island, New York.
Okay, all the way from Long Island. What do you expect out of this girl?
400?
You think it's 400 and it's going to be on flex fuel, right?
Yeah. So that and all is what's going to help it a lot.
It's pretty clean engine bay. It's like a wide...
It's a big chassis, yeah.
Yeah, it's a big chassis. The Laurel is I really dig this car. I think it's pretty neat. It's a little dusty. She looked dusty. Had to get a clutch too, right, Edgar? Just had to put the clutch
unfortunately
in.
we had to put a clutch in there because after we did all the work and I threw a base map on there and started doing some data logging and some tuning, the clutch pretty much started slipping right away.
Yeah.
But now it's got an ACT stage 3 clutch in there. It'll hold all the power.
Get her on the chip tune.
Mm-hmm.